Hi. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Edu Class, a place to learn English. So, what are we going to learn? Is there anyone know? Yeah, you are right. Today, we are going to learn simple present tense. We are going to learn the definition of simple present tense. We are going to learn the pattern of simple present tense. And the last one, we are going to learn the adverb or the signal time of simple present tense. Let's start with the definition of simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense that are used when an event is happening right now or an event that happens repeatedly done every day. So if you want to state your habit, a factual data, you have to use a simple present tense. For more specific, here are the function of simple present tense. It is used to state permanent situation, general thought, habitual action, future meaning, tradition and ritual, and the last one, command and instruction. Here are the examples of those functions. First, permanent situation. I live in Semarang. General thought. The sun rises in the east. Habitual action. He exercises every day. Future meaning. Meeting begins at 8 a.m. Tradition and ritual. Idul Fitri is on first Shawwal. Command and instruction. Open the door, please.
Pattern of simple present tense. There are two kinds of sentence. The first one is verbal sentence, and the second one is nominal sentence. Verbal sentence is a sentence that needs a verb. Meanwhile, nominal sentence is a sentence that doesn't need a verb. Moreover, there are three forms of pattern of simple present tense. The first one is positive form, the second one is negative form, and the last one is interrogative form. Alright, here is the pattern of simple present tense in the positive form. In the nominal sentence, the pattern is subject plus to be is am, are plus complement or adverb. In the verbal sentence, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 and plus object. In the negative form, nominal sentence, the pattern of simple present tense is subject plus to be and is or plus not plus complement or adverb. Meanwhile, in the verbal sentence, the pattern is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 and plus object. The last one is interrogative form. The pattern of simple present tense in the nominal sentence in the interrogative form is to be plus subject plus complement or adverb. Meanwhile, in the verbal sentence, the pattern is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 and plus object. For your information, if the subject is he, she, it, the verb is ended by C, H, O, X, Z, S, SH. So the verb is ended by ES. For the example, go becomes goes, catch becomes catches, and so on. The next is the adverb or the signal time of simple present tense. Here are the examples: always, usually, every time, every day or every week, sometimes, forever, frequently, normally. The example of simple present tense. A. Verbal sentence. In the positive form, the example is she eats an apple. She as a subject, eats as a verb, an apple as an object. Because the subject is she, so the verb is added by s. The next is the example of negative form. She does not eat an apple. She as a subject, plus does because the subject is she, plus not, plus eat as a verb, then plus an apple as an object. The next is the example of interrogative form. Does she eat an apple? Does plus she as a subject, eat as a verb, plus an apple as an object. The next is the example of simple present tense in the nominal sentence. In the positive form, the example is I am student. I as a subject, am as a to be, student as a complement. In the negative form, the example is I am not a student. I as a subject, am as a to be, not plus a student as a complement. Then, in the interrogative form, the example is am I a student? Am as a to be, I as a subject, and a student as a complement. So, all material have been given. To check your understanding, I would like to give you an exercise. Here the exercise. Which one is correct? For the number 1, A. He buys a handphone, or B. He buys a handphone. Then for the number 2, A. They do not buy anything, or B. They does not buy anything. I think that's all, guys. See you in the next video, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.